Hello everybody, welcome back to PERDIEMTHRIFTSMAS. Today is the 6th, so you're going to be watching this on the 7th. I'm like backwards a day, I keep forgetting. Anyway, a couple vlogs ago I was saying that I had other packages I was trying to pick up from the post office. I'm so glad that I didn't actually pick them up that day because they were these big old boxes and I would have had to walk these back to my office. Granted, it's not that far, it's about 3 blocks, but it's like snowing outside and it just like would not have been fun. So I'm really glad that they re-delivered them to my store. Today's been a crazy day. I'm sorry that I didn't really vlog any of it. I've literally been in meetings all day. So it's not really information that I could have vlogged anyway. All I have to say is fun things are happening, fun things are in store, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I'm so sorry for being so cryptic, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna leave it at. I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys today. I have 2 packages here. Both are from Poshmark. Both are, actually no, one of them is for me, like I literally bought the stuff for myself, and then the other package is going to be stuff that I'm going to be selling probably in my store as well. If you guys watched my vlog from 2 days ago where I did my other unboxing, I bought a bundle from a girl, and this was my second bundle that I bought from her. I went to go look on her page again because I know she had other cute stuff. But unfortunately she sold everything on her page, which is good for her, but she was like letting things go for like $5. I hate that you can't get notified on Poshmark like when a specific seller posts things. I know you can search like certain specific searches, like say I'm looking for a Patagonia sweater, I can turn on a notification when that gets posted, but I can't get specific notifications when a specific seller posts. I hope that they do that soon because that would be amazing. But anywho, I'm excited to show you guys what's inside. It's nothing crazy, honestly. It's a lot of like mall brands and just like regular brands, but it's stuff that I think will do really well in my store. I'm just gonna grab it off the top. This is the first item here. Super cute. It's like a longer vest. As you can see here, kind of like Penny Lane vibes, right? But in a vest. This is by One World, which I'm pretty sure is just like a, I don't even know. There's the tag. Sorry if you can't, can you see this? So here's the tag. It's One World. I don't know where this is sold at. I'm pretty sure this is faux suede, but still super cute, and I think this is going to do really well in my store. So excited because I got all my tags in. That means tomorrow I'm going to be really busy tagging all of my new inventory and putting it out on the floor. I'll definitely vlog that because I won't be doing much of anything else tomorrow. The next item, oh man, this is like really dirty. So that's kind of a bummer. But this is by Superdown, which is a Revolve brand. It's not actually dirty. Like, I'm sure this is just lint. But it's like dark lint. And then there's like a leaf on here. So that's interesting. But it's just a little long sleeve top. Nothing crazy. This isn't something I would open a case over, but I'm definitely not going to leave them a perfect review. This is Free People. This is so pretty. This is a bodysuit, and it's velvet, and I think I might save this for one of my friends because she loves velvet. I will see if she's interested. I'm trying to do a little bit more like personal shopping, personal styling for some of my friends, because I know their styles and I know what they like. So I'm practicing my personal styling and kind of like personal shopping on them before I offer it out to the public. But eventually in my store, that's something that I really want to offer. Okay, the last clothing piece is this. I thought this was so unique and so cool. This is by the brand Promisa, which I'm pretty sure is Ross or Marshalls, but it's like a plaid / denim. Like, it looks like a DIY project, but it's not, and I think this is just so unique. This is a size small, but yeah, all of that is just going in my store. And the last thing I got from this seller is a pair of boots Look at these. Aren't these cute? These are just by ASOS, I believe. Yes, these are by ASOS. Okay, so these say they're a size 6, but I don't... Let me try them on. Let me see. It might be like a European 6. Yeah, these are really big on me. So I want to say these are probably like a US 8. But they are in excellent condition. Sorry, I'm in my light box, so the lighting's a little weird. They're like a dark brown, in really good condition. So happy about these. And that's everything from that bundle. This next bundle is just stuff for myself. I think it's just 2 pairs of shoes. But this is a seller who I'm pretty sure her stuff is all like boutique. She probably pays wholesale for all of her shoes. And I've been following her for a while. There have been some shoes on there that I've been wanting, but I just didn't have any need for them. And I still don't have really a need for these. But one of my goals for 2023 is going to be to, when I come to work, just dress a little bit nicer. Because I have been slacking and just showing up in like sweatpants or leggings and a sweatshirt. Nothing crazy. So I really want to up my game. I own a fashion store, like a women's clothing store. I should be dressing like I know what I'm talking about. So I bought these shoes because I feel like these might make me want to dress up a little bit more. One of them is very impractical. I already own this pair, but in another color, and I wore them to Posh Fest. So, are they these? No. I'll show you those ones first, because they're very impractical. Like, I'm not going to be wearing these every day, especially not right now, because it's winter. And it's icy and cold and snowy outside, but I'm obsessed with this style, and it could just be a trend and not be, like, cool later on, but I'm so obsessed with these. Honestly, when I wore them at Posh Fest, they were really comfortable, so I don't know, I could probably wear these to work. But look at this. Look at how amazing this is. These are a little bit different than the ones that I wore to Posh Fest. The ones that I wore to Posh Fest were black. I'll put a picture here. But this is just by a brand called Lemonade, which I'm sure is on the same line as like Cupid or Soda, like those very boutique-y cheap brands. They have similar ones of these at like Steve Madden, but I am obsessed with this style. She was running a Black Friday sale, so I snagged up these shoes that I've been looking at. She also had these in like a hot pink. Oh, but I love this green. Green is like slowly becoming one of my favorite colors. And yes, so excited for these. I would just style these with like exactly how I wore them at Posh Fest. A crop top or a tank top and some like high-rise straight leg jeans. Or even a little skirt or like a romper or something. I'm obsessed. So happy with these. The other ones that I wore, the other ones that I bought, I'm sure I could wear them now. They're a little more practical. But, oh, this is so cute. Look at the stickers. Oh, she put 2. Okay, look at this sticker. It says happiness inside, and it's like a floral peace sign. And then this one, it's upside down, but it says Happy Mail, and it has mushrooms on it. Super cute. I don't wanna, I wish I could keep this sticker. I could keep this sticker. I don't want to rip it. Okay, I kept the sticker. These are something that I could definitely wear now. Oh, she left a little note in this one. The other one didn't have a note. But this says, thank you for your purchase. Your support of my small business means the world to me. I hope this package brightens your day. And it's a cute little like Christmas card. How adorable. I love that. But look at these. These have been on trend for a little while. I just could never pull the trigger and buy them for myself. But I figured it's about time. These are just platform loafers. Nothing crazy. I have loafers, like black ones, but they're Prada. And I don't always feel bougie enough to wear them. They're like vintage Prada. So these, I feel like I can get more use out of these on a regular basis. And they're platform, so it gives me a little bit of a height. I can dress this up, I can dress this down. Yes, I'm so excited about these. Can't wait to style these. But yeah, that is everything that I bought. I'm sure I will have at least like 1 or 2 more Poshmark hauls for you guys during this Vlogmas. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Sorry this video is so short, but I will see you guys tomorrow for another video.